So guys, as I've explained on the part 1, this is like this. No matter how small the tree is, if you remove this and it will becomes like this, then it would become good for setting a fire. It will become like that a while ago, the part 1. That's what I'm talking about. But in this case, they just remove from here up and down there. I think it is 1 point something meter. That is the way to make but of course you will wait for a year. I recommend for a year, because if it's not a year or it's only a month, then maybe yes, it will become like that, but it's only on the uh, outside. When you dig, when you go deeper, it will not it is still white, because it did not become like that, or it did not, it really needs a long period of time to wait in order to for the tree to become like that. But of course, uh, don't expect that uh, as you go deeper and deeper and deeper, it is still there, because of course the pine tree will die also if all his foundation is like that, becomes like that. So it is better to leave, not remove them all, not remove all the outside part of the foundation of the tree, pine tree. Just leave something small, in order for the water of the pine tree to go up, because they will sip water into the soil, then it will distribute up into the uh, leaves, into the trunks. That's why if we remove all the outside part of the tree, of course the tree will die, because that tree will die, or 5 years from now the tree will die. It can manage to live for a short period of a year, but it will surely die, because when the when it all becomes like red or orange or yellow, or it becomes like that on the, it is all the its foundation part is good for uh, setting a fire, then of course there's no already the water from below, from the roots of the tree, can no longer pass by, going up there, up to the trunk or to the leaves, because we have removed all the way of the water going up. That's why I recommend not removing them all. Don't know where the I think when we go up there, I think in this part here, this part going down or going up, it's the area where I know the trekking pole was fell down. Let's just see. But of course, when we don't see it today, then there's no way we can see it again. Somebody found it already. Because even my ATM land bank card, ATM card, I think that was fell down on my phone when I'm taking a picture on the globe tower down there. It fell down and I didn't notice it, and after 2 to 3 days, that's where I noticed that I don't have my ATM card. And yeah, I just think on the possibility of where I placed the ATM card, and up until I decided to think about when I went here, because when I went here I'm taking a picture. I always see my ATM card up until into the Globe Tower internet provider. That's why I decided to follow my trails here and see my ATM card, and yeah, thankfully no one has found it first before me. I found it in the Globe Tower internet provider area. When in the area where I take many pictures of in the tower, that's where I found my lost ATM card. No one has seen it, so today we will just see if it's just like that on my trekking pole. But it's okay if somebody has already found it, then it's okay. I have the pair of that trekking pole is in me. I have its spare, that's why it's okay for me. And when I go hiking and when I join trail running, even in ultra marathon, I don't use ultra trail running. I don't use trekking pole. I just decided to use the trekking pole when the last time when I went here go hiking, because I don't know, it's just that my nature is sometimes I'm confident enough, but sometimes I'm very afraid. So I'm very afraid of seeing the snake again. That's why I get those trekking pole, pair of trekking pole, and I carry them. I did not use them on supporting me to go up or go down, but I just carried them in case I will see the snake again. Then I will use it to move away. I will use my trekking pole to move away the snake away from me, but I did not. The snake didn't show up, and today, a while ago, the snake didn't show up again. So I don't know. But most of the time when I go hiking here, and when I'm training on my upcoming trail running events, then I always that snake always shows up to me. It's just that it's already two consecutive time that I come here, and that's make me then show up. It's the first time. So guys, we just go down here. I know that my trekking pole fall down up there when we go there on the way to the uh, Globe Tower internet provider, but I just decided to go down here first because we are not only looking for the trekking pole, but we are also looking for mushrooms, something like this. These are mushrooms. They can be eaten, but I don't I think I don't this kind of mushroom I don't want to get. That's not what I'm looking for. As I have said on my previous many videos, but I failed to upload them. There are many kind of mushrooms here. Some are most of them are foods, and there are also many mushrooms growing here that are not for food. And you might also, I'll repeat it again, you will ask me, you already found mushrooms, you say it is for food, but you're not getting it for you to eat. As I always said, yes, they are for food, but we are also picking some kind of mushrooms, just like choosing McDo or Jollibee, comparing them to hot dog. So of course hot dog and McDo or Jollibee are foods, but of course you will, when deciding to what to choose, of course you will choose the McDo or the Jollibee. But the hot dog is good also, good for food, but you will choose anyway the Jollibee or McDo, unless you are already you lost your appetite on McDo or Jollibee, then that's the time you choose the hot dog. Same thing from here. There's a kind of mushrooms that for food, but we are not getting them. We only get them when our appetite says so. But most of the time there's only I don't know, two to three kinds of mushrooms growing here that we are always getting. I don't know, I mean three, no, I mean 4 or 5 kinds of mushrooms, and those are fuo, we call it fuo, pukawan, faraan, uong, and I don't know, some other parts. There is we call this kumo, something like that. So guys, I will end here the video because it's already going up 15 minutes, and that's the only limit that YouTube has set me to be able to upload. So guys, see you in part 3.